If you haven't already, you should definitely check it out. The WYN360 Search Platform is going GA by the end of the year. I got so many students using this across majority of the universities, and you should definitely check it out. Click login and register, fill out some basic information, and you should be able to get started. The main highlight of this platform is this page called Blueprint, where you can start a blueprint at different max session time as desired. And it will start Jupyter Lab in a matter of a few minutes with multiple GPUs. And the entire platform is for free. You can choose dark mode, go full screen, click on terminal, and you're ready to go. Typically, what I would like to do is to start by git cloning the DeepSpeed course GitHub repository. Just like that, you have all these folders at the tip of your finger ready to use DeepSpeed package for distributed training with different frameworks. You can pip install UV, and you need a project, open up a README file, follow the instructions to install dependencies. Once UV finished installation, you can use UV run DeepSpeed by choosing 2 GPUs and referencing the correct Python script, and hit enter, you're good to go. In this particular example, I have a simulated synthetic data with a simple model, and I start training just like that. And within a matter of a few seconds, I have my improved analysis and I finished training script. And then in the end of the project, don't forget to go to the repo page, use the blue button to add a repository, simply put in your GitHub URL, and you are good to go. Just like what I have here, the DeepSpeed course is already added. On this platform, we track the number of stars, forks, and so on and so forth. We encourage our audience to take advantage of the platform, and if you get a high rating in the end, which is registered on the statistics on the left-hand side, you get a monthly reward. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to check out WYN360 Search Platform.